Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna, aka Hooked by Brianna, and today I will be showing you how to crochet a cow print design. This was requested and I think it is useful to know how to do this. This isn't like you have to do it this exact same way. This is just showing you how you can make your own little cow print pattern too. This also can work with clouds too, because you just have to make it blue and white instead of black or brown and white, you know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and let's get right into this video. So the materials you will need is some black yarn, some white yarn, and any crochet hook that you would like to use. I personally like to start off with white yarn. Well, you don't even need black yarn either. You can use brown, pink, whatever type of cow you're feeling. So we made our slip knot. Then we're just gonna get our hook. So with the starting chain, it doesn't have to be a specific amount since this is pretty much a random pattern. So I will just do a small square. So I'll be chaining 21. So now I'm gonna do this row. I forgot to mention that I am single crocheting for this pattern. I'll do this whole row white, but you can start your spot here if you would like to, but I won't right now. It is very hot today. It's 91 degrees outside, but this is my quietest place to film. I'll actually start now. So we're gonna go, well, let me do this first. We're gonna go in here like we're normally single crocheting, but we're not gonna yarn over and pull through. We're gonna keep these two loops on and grab our spot color. So let me get that ready. With your spot color, we're going to get the end of it and put it on our hook, and we will pull through with our spot color. I'm gonna drag this out a little so I can tie this to secure it. And we're going to tie it one more time. And now we will continue to single crochet. And we can also grab both of these ends so we can start crocheting over them. And now we have our first spot getting started. Since I did my last crochet, single crochet with the black, I will also start the next row with the black. So you can also leave these in, but since this is just a tutorial, we're just gonna leave it like this. And we're going to continue to crochet over this white piece because we are carrying it throughout. So we're going to keep crocheting. And since this is a spot, we don't want to just make it even. So I'm going to go 2 more just to make it more random. And then we'll go back to our white. We will yarn over and pull through with the white and then continue to single crochet using the white. And now I will single crochet with the white for the rest of this row. Now we reach the end, and I will continue to crochet with the white. So I'm going to chain up 1 with the white, bring our black over, and continue to crochet over the black. And if you don't want those stitches to be showing, you just crochet tighter. I'm just using this bigger hook so I can show you guys the pattern easily. So now it is looking pretty empty right here, so I'm going to start adding a new spot here too. So now we did the same steps that I showed you earlier, and now we're going to do about 3 single crochets with the black, and then we're going to switch back to our white, and then we're just going to continue to crochet with the white until we reach the spot that we started over here, which I am going to start to close up a little. So now I'm at the black. I'm going to do 1 white here, but then I'll go back to the black. and then start crocheting with our black. So this is basically all you need to know when it comes to doing cow print. You basically just do it at whatever pattern you want. You just have to make sure you crochet black where you want the spot to be, or whatever color you're using for the spots, and then white for the main color. So now I have this. We're just going to close the spot here, so let me go back and then grab our white again, yarn over, and then continue with our white. I'm going to show you this again until we complete our second spot, but after that I'll just show you guys the finished product because I think it is kind of self-explanatory at this point. So I'm going to make it extend farther this way. So I will crochet white here, change to my black, and since I want the spot going more this way, I will crochet more black on this row now, just to open it up in this direction. And now I will change back to white because I don't want my spot to be that huge. Now we're back to our white, and we will continue using the white. Chain up one, turn it around, and then continue with the white. Then I'll tighten this up so we can hide that part a little. And then we will go back to our black. Now we are doing the black. Now we'll stop here and go back to white. And now we will continue with the white. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And I will come back to you guys once I am done with all of my cow print. The thing on my neck is what I was recording the other part with, but I'll probably go back to the other way I film my tutorials because it was a little shaky and sometimes I wouldn't realize I'm out the camera. But yeah, look at that ice though, period. So as you can see, I am done with the cow print. So if you want it to be bigger spots, just make sure you do more single crochets. The more single crochets you do, the bigger the spot will be. And if you want them to be more tall, then you just continue adding the black or whatever your spot color is for more rows, because I did around 3 rows for each spot. But yeah, if you want it to be like this big, I would do like 5 rows, if that makes any sense. So now we are at the end. I was last working with white, but I will grab both, then do a single crochet, and now we are going to tie this off. Oops, sorry. And now you can basically use this video to make, not cheetah print, to make cow print on anything. So like you can make a top, let me stretch this out. You can make a top, a bag, whatever you want, an actual cow. But this is how you do the print. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I am so grateful for every single one of you, and I am glad that y'all stick around and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to make more crochet videos and more videos just about my life in general. As you can tell, I have been posting more about just my life and just going to college and everything, because I do want y'all to see that side of me too, and not just these tutorials. I'll be doing a giveaway as well. Because I am moving, I don't know if it will be me making you something, because this isn't just a crochet channel, so I don't know if people would just want something crocheted for them. But I might either just give them a gift card, or maybe crochet for them, maybe give them a coupon for my shop. I don't know yet, but maybe just a gift card. Or if you are a crocheter, maybe I will give you like a crochet kit or something. So just comment down below what prizes you guys would like.